In today's world, ensuring security across large campuses, public spaces, and sensitive zones has become more challenging than ever. With surveillance feeds streaming in from CCTVs, drones, and body cams, manual monitoring is not only time consuming but also prone to human error. To address this, Team Krakonova presents an AI powered multi source surveillance and interpretation system developed for the Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our solution leverages advanced computer vision and machine learning techniques to analyze video feeds in real time, detecting actions, identifying threats, and recognizing individuals automatically. Designed to work seamlessly with existing infrastructure, it transforms traditional monitoring into a smart, efficient, and proactive surveillance framework. Now let's take a look at the prototype of our AI-powered surveillance system. The user interface begins with the camera feed dashboard where live video streams from the input sources are displayed in real time. Each feed is automatically analyzed by our AI models to detect and interpret ongoing activities. Moving to the database dashboard, this section maintains a record of all detected events and individuals. It serves as a central monitoring hub allowing security teams to easily review alerts. Our system integrates face and weapon detection where it identifies known individuals from stored profiles and flags the presence of dangerous objects like firearms or knives. These detections are highlighted directly on the video feed for immediate awareness. Next is running detection. Our model identifies sudden or fast movements within a scene to determine if a person is running, which may indicate distress or suspicious activity. Similarly, loitering detection is implemented to monitor unusual stationary behavior. If a person remains in a restricted area for an extended period, the system marks it as a suspicious and triggers an alert. On the database page, all detections including faces, weapons, and activities are automatically stored with timestamps, extracted images, and event details for future reference or investigation. Finally, the system generates a detailed event report summarizing the detected activity, location, and time. This report can be downloaded directly, providing an efficient way to document and share incidents. Through this prototype, our system demonstrates how AI can transform traditional surveillance into a smart, autonomous, and action-oriented security solution. Our system delivers measurable impact through auto-evidence generation, custom use flexibility, and data-driven insights, all aimed at enhancing security and safety while reducing human dependency. In terms of feasibility, it supports real-time data streaming, easy deployment, and remains cost-efficient through open-source frameworks. Despite challenges like high computational load and accuracy in difficult conditions, we address them with GPU acceleration, ensemble modeling, and parallel threading for seamless multi-model execution. Together, these strategies ensure a fast, scalable, and reliable AI-driven surveillance system. Thank you.